Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, December the 11th, we have three Sudokus, a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and also a killer Sudoku. We will start always with the binary Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here a double O. So here one, there one. Here double O, here one, there one. A double O, here one, and there one. A double one, here an O, and there an O. A double one, here an O, and there an O. A double one, here an O, and there an O. A double one, here an O, and there an O. Then I see here a double O, here and one, there one. All the doubles are used. Nope. I see here double O, double one, here and O, there and O. A double O, here and one, there one. A double O, here and one, there one. Now I have used all the doubles. So let's continue with between two O's comes an one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. I count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. If I place the fifth and the last O in this row, then we have 1, 2, 3. 3 ones in a row. Not possible. So this cannot be an O here. So this must be a 1. Alright, then between two ones comes an O. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and one, there and one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here and one, there and one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the fifth and the last O in this row, then the other side we have 3 ones. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This must be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. So this must be an O. Three. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the fifth and the last O here or there, then we have here 3 ones. Not allowed. So these two must be in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the fifth and the last O here, then we have 3 ones. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This must be a 1. If I place the fifth and the last O here, then we have 3 ones. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This must be a 1. Alright, so we have here double 1, here an O, there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. If I place the fifth and the last one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This must be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the fifth and the last O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This must be a 1. Now we have double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth one in this column. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Now we have a double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here and O, there and O. So we finish this. Oh, oops. Excuse me. In 8 minutes. Sorry that the camera has moved. My apologies. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you later with the Sudoku Medium. Bye bye.